If you want powerful, low-maintenance cleaning without the back strain, top-loading washers are tough to beat. We looked at models that combine everyday convenience with thoughtful design, guided by lab-style testing criteria like cleaning performance, stain removal, fabric care, energy, and water use. If something catches your eye, you'll find the model names and links in the description. In fifth place, we have the Giantex full automatic washing machine 2-in-1 portable laundry washer. Built for RVs, small apartments, and dorms, it's compact and light enough for one-person installation in just minutes, yet it handles more than you'd expect. You can wash bed sheets, towels, and even a king-sized fitted sheet in a single load, and it runs very quietly. The noisiest thing about it is the cheerful tune at startup and cycle end. Multiple programs and water levels make it easy to tailor each load, and its energy-saving behavior adds to the appeal for tight spaces and careful utility use. The trade-offs are practical. There's only one slot for powdered detergent, no separate compartments for bleach or fabric softener, and its plastic water connectors aren't ideal if your faucets are metal. Still, users report no leaks and steady, reliable cleaning, making it a smart, space-first choice for compact living. Coming in at number 4 is the Midea Portable washer. This sleek, apartment-friendly unit has a transparent lid and LED display that keep controls simple and intuitive. Despite its small footprint, it's feature-rich with 6 wash cycles plus a drum clean function, and it's designed to be efficient with both water and energy. In real-world use, people love how easy it is to operate, how neatly it fits into dorms or RVs, and how clean and fresh clothes emerge after a quiet spin cycle. It's a tidy solution for anyone who needs reliable laundry in a small space without committing to a full-size machine. One note to keep in mind, some buyers struggled to attach the water connector to their sinks, so checking compatibility ahead of time can save a headache. If you're after a compact, budget-friendly, everyday washer that simply works, this Midea brings a lot of value in a small package. At number 3, you'll find the Comfee 2.4 cubic foot LED portable top-loading washing machine. This portable pick is a favorite for apartments, RVs, and dorms where square footage is precious but clean laundry is non-negotiable. Within its compact category, it over-delivers. Users report 4 pairs of Levi's washed clean without strain or 3 full sets of scrubs in a single cycle. The spin function is a standout, leaving items well-rinsed and nearly dry to shorten air-dry time. Setup is flexible. One user runs the inlet from a shower and drains to the tub, so it adapts to unconventional spaces with minimal fuss. And because the footprint is small, you can tuck it away when you're done. The limitation is capacity. It's not meant to replace a family-sized top loader, but respect its load limits, and it performs consistently, delivering fresh-smelling results at an accessible price for solo dwellers, students, or anyone managing laundry in tight quarters. Taking the second spot is the Black+Decker 4.1 cubic foot top-loading washing machine with agitator. This full-size model earns praise from users with unique setups, including those living completely off-grid, because it handles real, full wash cycles without feeling flimsy. Its wash system appears to sense load weight and adjust water needs automatically. On a small cycle, around 8 gallons can be enough to get started, which is great for conserving resources. You can choose to skip the rinse for everyday items like blankets or pet bedding, or run a full rinse when freshness matters most. Performance shines with a 10-minute spin-only cycle that leaves fleece blankets and pillows nearly dry, cutting air-dry time to just a couple of hours. The drainage hose's movable gooseneck sits securely in a sink, and the pump clears water reliably. It's also impressively quiet. Users report late-night loads without waking a partner. The trade-off is a slightly hands-on feel if you're bucket filling, but once you learn its rhythm, it's a dependable, flexible alternative to laundromats or older, less efficient machines. And finally, at number 1, the GE Profile Washer with smarter wash technology and adaptive smart dispense leads for families who want capacity and convenience. This smart top loader lets you adjust settings without stepping into the laundry room, and if a stain needs attention, the AI voice assistant in the Smart HQ app is ready to help by voice or text. The adaptive smart dispense system stores detergent for up to 32 loads and dispenses the right amount automatically after you scan the detergent's barcode. Great for making laundry more hands-off. In lab-style testing of a similar model, ease of use stood out, and the tangle control setting helps prevent sheets and clothes from twisting into a knotted mess. With a large 5.4 cubic foot capacity, it's built for extra large loads and busy households. The main emission is a steam cycle, so if you depend on steam for sanitizing or wrinkle reduction, note that this unit doesn't include it. Otherwise, it's a thoughtful blend of size, smarts, and convenience. To recap, if you need maximum performance in minimal space, the Giantex, Midea, and Comfee portables keep laundry moving in tight quarters. Step up to the Black+Decker for full-size flexibility and quietly powerful cycles, or go all in on family-friendly smarts with the GE profile at the top. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tested picks, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next roundup. You'll find more details and the product links waiting in the description below.